வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம வந்து டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்போ இந்த எபிசோட்லேருந்து நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ், அதாவது நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகளை பற்றி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். இதில் 2021 கேட்கப்பட்ட கேள்விகள் மொத்தம் 24 கேள்விகள். இப்போ நிறைய பேர் டவுட் வரலாம், இந்த கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸை பற்றி பார்த்து நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு. பட் கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸில் என்னென்ன மாதிரி கேள்விகள் என்னென்ன சப்ஜெக்டில் எப்படி வருது அப்படிங்கிற நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக தான் இந்த எபிசோட் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், மேட்ச் தி ஃபாலோயிங் ஆதர் அண்ட் புக். வண்ணதாசன், தஞ்சாரம், இன்குலாப், சூல், ராமகிருஷ்ணன், காந்தல் நாட்கள், சோதர்மன், ஒரு சிறு இசை. த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் சி, 4312. தட் இஸ் வண்ணதாசன் ஒரு சிறு இசை, இன்குலாப் காந்தல் நாட்கள், ராமகிருஷ்ணன் சஞ்சாரம், சோதர்மன் சூல். Second question. This place is located 12 kilometers southeast of Madurai. It proves that an urban civilization existed in Tamil Nadu in the Sangam era on the banks of the river Vaigai. A researcher and retired civil servant through R. Balakrishnan points to the similarities between the civilization and Indus Valley civilization. Which of the places is described in the paragraph above? A. Alagangulam, B. Porundal, C. Kiladi, D. Kodumanal. The correct answer is C. Kiladi. Third question. Which of the following facts about COVID-19 virus is or wrong? 1. People who have been infected by the virus but do not have symptoms do not spread virus. 2. Reinfection is not possible. 3. Anosmia, that is loss of smell, is a symptom. 4. Babies do not get infected by the coronavirus. A. 1 and 2. B. 1, 2, 4. C. 3 only. 4 only. The correct answer is B, 1, 2 and 4. Fourth question. Which of the following book author is wrongly matched? A. Of Girlbrand, Chetan Bhagat. B. My Country, My Life, Dalai Lama. C. Born Again and the Mountain, Arunima Sinha. D. The Country of First Boys, Amartya Sen. The correct answer is B. My Country, My Life, Dalai Lama. Fifth question. Match the sport with the corresponding number of players. Sports and the number of players. Polo, rugby, hockey, baseball. The choices are, directly we can go to the answer. That's B, 4, 1, 2, 3. That is polo has just 4 players. 4, rugby, football has 15 players. Hockey has 11 players. Baseball has 9 players. Right? Sixth question. Match the following women personalities with their achievement. Personality and achievement. A. Anna Rajaram Malhotra, India's first female to fly an aircraft. B. Sarla Takral, India's first female train driver. C. Arunima Sinha, India's first woman IAS officer after independence. D. Surekha Yadav, first Indian woman amputee to scale Mount Everest. The correct answer is C, 3, 1, 4, 2. That is Anna Rajaram Malhotra, first woman IAS officer after independence. Sarla Takral, India's first female to fly an aircraft. C. Arunima Sinha, first Indian woman amputee to scale Mount Everest. Surekha Yadav, India's first female to fly, train driver, first India's female train driver. Seventh question. Which was the venue of third global conference on road safety in collaboration with WHO and World Bank in 2020? A. Stockholm, B. California, D. Holland, D. Geneva. The correct answer is A. Stockholm. Eighth question. Which of the following statement is or true related to COVID-19? Adding pepper to your soup prevents COVID-19. B. COVID-19 is transmitted through houseflies. C. 5G communication network spread COVID-19. D. Sunlight does not protect oneself from COVID-19. A only, A and B only. B, C and D only, C only, D only. The correct answer is D only. Ninth question. What are the facts related to hand sanitizers? Most of them are acid based and not alcohol based. B, they are flammable. C, they are effective against spores. D, it is correct to nicely wipe off hand sanitizer from the hands before it has dried. A and C only, B only, C, D only, D, C only. The correct answer is B only. 10th question. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? Fever, dry cough, fatigue, loss of taste, sore throat, breathing difficulties. A only, B only, C, D only, D, A, B, C and D. That is all the above. So, That's right. 11th question. As per V.Palanichamy, the book written by through Su Venkatesan, the Sahitya Academy winning writer. A. Pari was a man of nature who knew birds, insects, plants like the back of his hand. B. The story V.Palanichamy was that of conflict between man's greed and nature. Which of the above statements are correct? A only, B only, C A and B, D neither A nor B. The correct answer is C, A and B. 12th question. Why India has not become self-reliant in edible oil productions? 1. High cultivation cost. 2. Low productivity. 3. Lack of government support. 4. Deficient domestic demand. The choices are A 2 only, B 1 and 3, C 1, 2 and 3, D 1 only. The correct answer is A, that is 2 only. 13th question. Identify the sectors of Indian economy which are the most affected by COVID pandemic. A. MSME sector. B. Aviation sector. C. Tourism and hospitality sector. D. Telecommunication sector. A and D only. B, A, B and C. C, D only. D, A and C only. The correct answer is B, A, B, C. 14th question. Which of the following states has shown the declining trend of GST, goods and services tax, for the year 2019-20? A. Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Assam. B. Haryana, Rajasthan and Meghalaya. C. Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Manipur. D. Maharashtra, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is D. Maharashtra, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. 15th question. According to Sustainable Development Goal Index 2019, brought out by the Niti Aayog for the year 2019, Tamil Nadu stands A. First, B. Second, C. Third, Fourth, D. The correct answer is C. Third. 16th question. Attikadavu Avinasi scheme is related to A. Drip irrigation, B. Pour irrigation, C. Drinking water and well recharge, D. Drinking water and ground water recharge. So the correct answer is D. Drinking water and ground water recharge. 17th question. Why Chennai is called the Detroit of Asia? A. Due to the presence of textile industry. B. Due to the presence of automobile industry. C. Due to the presence of leather industry. D. Due to the presence of film industry. The correct answer is B. Due to the presence of automobile industry. 18th question. To reduce the investment and the incremental capital output ratio, the following approaches are to be accomplished. 1. Static efficiency. 2. Dynamic efficiency. 3. Allocative efficiency. 4. Technical efficiency. A. 1, 3, 4 only. B. 1, 2, 3 only. C. 1, 2, 4 only. D. 2, 3, 4 only. The correct answer is 2, 3, 4 only. 19th question. According to All India Survey for Higher Education 2019, which state produces maximum number of PhDs in the country in 2018? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Maharashtra. D. Gujarat. The correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. 20th question. Consider the following assertion and reason. Assertion. Bringing down the influence of rich and powerful people making government decision making is the challenge in the concept of expansion of democracy. Reason. People's participation and their control is meaningful on influence. If the rich is brought down, it results deep democracy. A is wrong but R is correct. B. Both A and R are correct. C. R is wrong and A is correct. D. Both A and R are incorrect. The correct answer is A. A is wrong but R is correct. 21st question. Assertion. Access to primary health centers helps identification, prevention of communicable diseases in rural communities. Reason. More optimum utilization of rural health infrastructure is expected to yield expected results. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation to A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. The correct answer is A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 22nd question. Which of the which is the first state to employ a differently abled in Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat, D. Karnataka. The correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. 23rd question. In January 2019, Indian government approved the merger of 3 banks. Which of the following does not figure in merger? A. Dina Bank, B. Vijaya Bank, C. Bank of Baroda, D. Lakshmi Vilas Bank. The correct answer is D. Lakshmi Vilas Bank. 24th question. Post-tsunami sustainable livelihood program for the coastal communities of Tamil Nadu is assisted by A. World Bank, B. International Fund for Agriculture and Development, C. Asian Development Bank, D. International Monetary Fund. The correct answer is B. International Fund for Agriculture and Development. So thank you very much. So we will see some other year question of the same subject, that is current affairs. Thank you once again.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.